Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I have for you my review, thoughts, and experience using BONTIME Healthy Nail Polish. For those of you that are not familiar with, BONTIME is a non-toxic, eco-friendly, water-based formula of nail polishes, and this right here is a collection of 6 different colors and then a base slash top coat that is to go with it. So let me go ahead, and here on the back you see where it says it's easy peel off. So yes, it is a peelable polish, so you no need to use acetone. And it says best application brush of all time, non-chemical products for both adults and children. Let me go ahead and open the package. In the package you do have instructions on here on how to apply the product, since they do come with their own base slash top coat. Is this bottle right here, and it does say here, do not wash hands, do not take a bath within 4 hours of application. So you will want to wait at least 4 hours before taking a bath and washing your hands, and do not wash your hair. I'm taking this as do not wash your hair while wearing the polish whatsoever. But, and I don't know about you guys, but I will say this might be okay if you just use the tips of your fingers to, you know, massage your scalp when you wash your hair, rather than using the tips of your nails to massage or scrape your scalp when you wash your hair. I don't know what your habit is on doing that. I personally do use the tips of my fingers, or I use my knuckles against my hair. Again, it's about being conscious of taking care of your nails. But yes, this is a little instruction pamphlet that comes with it, and then it tells you how long to wait in between applications, but I will go over that when I'm showing you my application, for the application of the polish on my own nails. Obviously, yes, I should be conscious about this. If you are using this type of product, chances are you do not want to use acetone either, even nail polish remover, because it contains acetone. So it does say if you get this on your skin, it says just gently rub off the excess nail polish around your nails with a cotton swab, or the other hand. And I will probably say if you get it on your skin, then use the orange wood stick, you know, to clean off that excess that you got on your skin before the nail polish dries. So yes, the colors inside this particular collection, they seem to be more like fall colors. I really like these colors. They're very pretty. Each bottle is an 8 ml bottle, and if you, this might look familiar, they are very much shaped like the Zoya mini bottles right there. And here you will see the brushes. I found these, it's a pretty good size, comfortable brush size for me to work with, and the bottles as well. They're all glass bottles. 4 out of the 5 polishes are in creams, except this one that is called Shine Black. And when you see it on the bottle, you see the blue shining through, and I thought it was going to be a very dark navy blue, and it appears to be so while it's wet. But when it dries, it almost looks, it might as well be a black with that beautiful shine, shimmer, like it says. That's a beautiful color. So yes, this is a collection for the health conscious, maybe people that are allergic to certain chemicals on regular polishes. And I will go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and do the swatches on some nail tips so you can see how they apply. I went ahead, and also these are very much, these pretty much cover it in one coat. They're one coaters. They really pretty much are. Maybe the only one that I did on the tip 2 coats was this one, and I use very large tips, and they apply very smoothly. So as far as you working with these polishes, if you didn't know any better as far as how different they are from the regular polish, you cannot tell from application that they are any different from other polishes. It is practically odor free. I do not smell any scent coming out of these. So yes, like I said, these are for the health conscious, or those that may have some allergics or might be sensitive to chemicals on regular polishes. Now, of course, I know you are wondering as far as durability. I will have my results. I am going to do some swatches on these so you can see how the colors are, but I'm also going to tell you about my results. I went ahead and gave these a test for a few days, and in general what I can say, I was pretty impressed from what I was expecting. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the swatches. I hope you guys enjoy that, and then I will come back and show you pictures of my results when doing a test on these. Okay, so here are all the swatches completed. I did not bother applying the base coat for these swatches. It's mainly for you to see how beautiful these colors are. I really like them. And as you can see, some of these, like these right here, almost all of them except for this one, they seem to have very good shine on their own, except for this one right here, maybe because of the shimmer. But yeah, this is without top coat. Check it out. Very good coverage there. Now let me go through the process on the application and how it is that you will go about applying this on your own nails. Okay guys, so here is the moment of truth. I have documented my experiment with photos. The day that I recorded the step-by-step process to show you the application of this particular polish, I went ahead and did both hands, and I did have something important that I had to go out of the house and do, so I went ahead and made my nails match both hands. And just as a little accent, and also to test this water-based base coat, I went ahead and used a She Modern foil and applied it on my nail, and then I used it as a top coat on my ring nail, as you see on this photo. And I was super pleased to see how well it works as a top coat over foils, because my only other option is the water-based peel-off base coat, and I really don't care much for how it looks, but I love how this one looks, so I'm glad I have it for that. So aside from that, as you can see, so this is the same day that I applied the polish. Okay, I do see some chips already, some chipping on my tips. The middle nail, totally ignore it, because the fact that that nail was very weak, so I actually had a gel base on that nail, so totally ignore the middle nail. The ring nail, since I applied that foil, I have multiple coats of the top coat. Okay, so I did want to bring that up. I ended up doing both hands, but because I needed to move on with other reviews and swatches, I did not keep this past this first night. Okay, now what I did on October 18th, which was a Thursday, I went ahead and applied this other color, which I thought is a beautiful color, on my natural nails, my index and my pinky. Again, here my middle and my ring nail, I have gel polish. So only concentrate on the index and my pinky right here. This is a fresh application on the 18th on my right hand. Beautiful. I love this color. Now, because this was going to be an extended wear, I went ahead and capped my free edge, and let me show you what happened. Yeah, this is almost very soon after application, after it was already completely dry. This, you can see the capping of my free edge started peeling. So again, the same day, I do take night showers, I do take hot showers, and this is what happened straight out of the shower. And I can assure you, it had been way past over 4 hours that I took a shower, and it started peeling back. But surprisingly enough, the pinky did really well. And then I pressed it down, and it seemed to adhere well on its own. It did this, as here you can see Friday, the next day, you can see it's a little wrinkle on the tip, but I managed to keep it on. And again, the pinky is still continuing to look really, really good. Saturday, again, it did that each night that I took a shower. That index finger, the polish peeled back, it peeled up, but then I was able to press it down, and it stayed it stayed on really well. So this was Saturday. This is Sunday. This is as far as I could take this test, guys. I'm pretty sure you could take, it will go a few more days. And other than those, the very edge of my tips being chipped or peeled, if you had from looking at the hand straight, the polish looked pretty decent. So yeah, I will have to say, and I will tell you guys, I think the durability on and because this is a peelable polish, I will say a lot of how the durability will have to do a lot with how the strength of your nails. My nails are naturally very soft. They get very soft in the shower, and with nothing else other than this polish, they really soak in a lot of water. And I will say, from the nails being, they are bendable. You can bend my nails very, very easy. And from the nail being flexible, of course, yeah, I can see how it's not going to have a very well structured base for this type of polish. So that's why I was experiencing this. I will conclude that that's why it was peeling back, but I was quite surprised I was able to put it back into place. So let me tell you, in conclusion, I will say this polish is quite resilient. It is pretty resilient. I do like the formula. I think it does what it is supposed to do. I was surprised that it lasted this long. And anyone, again, looking for this type of polish because of any sensitiveness that you might have towards certain chemicals, I think you'll be pretty satisfied with this. And yes, do take care. And if you have strong nails, I think you will get better results. Then keep in mind, these are my personal results. This is my experience with it, and I'm just sharing with you. So there you guys have it. That is my review for BONTIME. I would like to thank BONTIME for sending me these beautiful polishes to play with and review. If you guys have any more questions about these, please leave them below, and I'll be happy to answer. These are available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. I have a bonus clip for you guys after this. If you want to stay tuned, I tested these, how they will do with water marbling and stamping. So stay tuned for that if you want to see the results. Thank you for watching today. If you guys enjoyed this review and this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. So there you saw the water marble test. That was kind of a weird thing. What happened there, it was almost like the formula, as if it was a completely water color, what I had dropped into the cup, and then as soon as I submerged my stamper to pick up the image, or not the image, but what swirly things I had going on in there, they just, you know, it was just like water. They didn't dry it up in a form that we are used to with regular polish, where it creates that somewhat of a material that you can then pick up or do anything with it. And then as I was stirring it with the with my tool, it just, yeah, it was like just water. It was almost as if I had just dropped nothing there but food coloring in there, is what it felt like. And the stamping, so yeah, again, it was very, you can tell, you can definitely see the water-based properties of this formula when you attempt to do the stamping, as you saw. And also you saw how I show you on the stamper head how it just like it was still there wet. So okay, so that was something that I wanted to try. Now, one thing that I noticed, it did not, I cannot remove this. It stained the white part of the backing of my plate, so that was not coming off with acetone for some reason. But they did not stain my nails at all, because remember, I did not apply the color directly to my nails. I did use the base that that comes with them, and you're supposed to use with them, that makes them peelable.